This custom-designed home is nestled in the coveted community of country club shores and exquisitely represents Longboat Key. This gorgeous home was completely remodeled in 2017. This light, bright, and airy open floor plan has beautiful tiled floors throughout, innately detailed trimmed ceilings, a designer kitchen with solid surface counters, gas cooktop, built-in ovens, high-end lighting fixtures and custom built-ins. The private sanctuary owner's suite walks out to the resort-style pool and spa, the deepwater canal, and provides breathtaking views out to Sarasota Bay. The ensuite bath exhibits dual vanities, a custom tiled shower and a deep freestanding soaking tub. This home is perfect for entertaining with the oversized sliding glass door, spacious screened lanai that brings the outdoors indoors, solar heated saltwater pool and spa, pool restroom and convenient outdoor shower. An easy path directs you to the floating launch for paddle boards and kayaks and maintenance-free dock. You have easy access to Sarasota Bay with no bridges impeding your access. This home is just 6 houses from the bay. There is deeded beach access that takes you to the soft sugary sands of the Longboat Key Beach. The oversized garage has tons of storage room and a charger for electric vehicles. All new irrigations system to help keep your lawn looking great. Don't miss out on this one-of-a-kind rare gem.